Welcome to the US Dollar Printing Factory. Today, you will watch the complete step-by-step process of how a dollar bill is made.
Every dollar begins with a unique blend of cotton and linen, carefully delivered under tight security. The raw fibers are transformed into paper pulp, forming the foundation of a durable dollar bill. The pulp is pressed and dried into special currency sheets, designed to last for decades.
Security threads are embedded, making each bill nearly impossible to counterfeit.
Special inks, including color shifting and magnetic types, are prepared for precise printing on every dollar.
Engraved plates are installed on high-speed presses, ready to imprint detailed designs onto each bill.
The first layer of ink prints intricate designs, including portraits and borders, onto each sheet. Multiple layers of ink are applied, creating complex designs and ensuring all security features are perfectly integrated.
Sheets are carefully dried and inspected for any imperfections before being cut into individual notes.
Once printed, the large sheets are precisely cut into individual dollar bills, ensuring uniformity in every note.
Each bill receives a unique serial number, allowing every dollar to be tracked and verified.
Every bill undergoes strict quality control to ensure it meets the highest standards before packaging.
Bills are carefully bundled and labeled, ready for secure storage or shipment to banks.
Finally, bundles are stacked on pallets and stored securely, completing the journey from raw fibers to ready-to-use currency. Each pallet is secured with tamper-proof seals to guarantee the integrity of the currency during storage and transport.
Sealed pallets are prepared for transport, ready to be delivered to banks nationwide.
Armored trucks leave the factory, safeguarding millions of dollars as they begin their journey to financial institutions. Banks receive the new dollar bills, where they are carefully counted and prepared for circulation. From the vault, the bills are distributed to ATMs and cash counters, making their way into the hands of the public.
Cash cassettes filled with freshly printed bills are loaded into ATMs, ready for public use.
Bank tellers distribute new bills directly to customers, completing the final step of the currency's journey.
Once in circulation, every dollar travels through countless hands, fueling commerce across the nation.
Hidden security features protect each bill from counterfeiting, ensuring its authenticity and value. From simple early designs to today's complex notes, the US dollar has evolved into one of the world's most secure currencies.
And that's how a US dollar note is made, from raw fibers to the hands of millions around the world.